So friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix earphones or headphones wire. So headphones wires are one of the fragile part of any headphones, and yet they are also the most overlooked. So as a result they are often the first to become damaged. So when you twist or turn the wires, outer rubber or insulator becomes weaker and thinner. Eventually your headphones wire and the becomes more exposed, causing them to turn off entirely. And what worse is, often even if you handle them carefully, your headphones wire is still prone to other accidents, such as getting the chewed up by your pets. But don't worry, if you are dealing with damage or headphones wires, you don't have to throw them just away yet, because I'm going to tell you some fixes in this video to fix your these problems. So there are several easy fixes. You can do it at home to fix your broken or just damaged headphones wire without using soldering tools. So what are those? And you will also find you can also find tips on my channel how to patch up more severely damaged headphones and earphones wiring, including the replacement option for the lost causes. So let's get into it and let's start the fixes. So first of all guys, so when it comes to the headphones or earphones cable, the part closest to the plug is often the first to show the sign of broken or damage. So most of the time it's because of the frequent use or abuse this area receive. So we often latch onto this part when twisting or pushing or bend, and the headphone jacks often in place, does not stay in place whenever we used to twist, push or bend the wires. So this repeatedly twisting, pushing or bending eventually takes its on the headphones wiring and result in common issues such as the hearing static sounds or having only one side of the earphones working. So but the first fix, which is mostly works in most of the cases, is guys, most people have the electrical tape in their home. So if not, then you can buy it from any hardware store. And electric tape is designed to insulate electric wire. So black colored electric tape, or in particular, is made for the low voltage electric wire, which is which is the case of the headphones or earphones. So you can try using it for the quick and easy headphones wire repairs. So first of all, what you have to do before anything else, make sure that your wires are clean and have no traces of on them, and this ensure the electric tape will stick to the wire longer and more securely. So you have to clean the wire. Mostly the closest part of the plug is damaged, so just make sure that your wire your this part must be clean. So when we wrap the tape, it must hold the wire permanently, and so it can insulate the this particular part of the wire. So you can use any piece of cloth to clean this particular part. And once you clean the part, now it's time to use electrical tape. So I bought this tape recently, and my this headphones is basically the broken, and which is the closest part of the plug. So first of all, just take out some tape, some particular length of tape, and you can take it around 5 to 6 inches, 5 to 6 centimeter, and just cut it. And after this, now you just need to wrap this part and make it insulated. Now press it with some certain pressure so it can hold perfectly, or you can close this open area also, because it won't isolate the part with the air, so it should be isolated with the air as well. Now once you wrap it, just cut it down and just wrap it nicely. Once you're done with this, now you can check your earphone with your mobile, or see if it working or not. So when you wrap the electric tape around the wire as tight as possible, this will protect the wire from damage further and insulate it. Fine. So now, and if you want more secure fix, then you can try using heat sinking tubing or a sleeve for a more durable or long lasting fix. These are available on any online shops. So these tubing are primarily used for the repairing or reinforcing or insulating damaged electrical wires, or it is actually made for such fixes because we usually have these kind of a problem in chargers, earphones, headphones, wires, and charging mobile accessories. So you can buy these for tubing, and it is usually made by the polyolefin or PVCs material, so it can protect your wire more for more time, and uh, it can basically it holds your wire more permanently than the electrical tape. So yeah guys, this is how you can fix your electrical wire of your headphones and earphones. I hope you get it. Yeah, I hope you like it. And if you find any damaged area or bands, if your one side of the earphones is still not working, so you can try and identify the one point of the uh, headphones or earphones area. And once you identify that, when you twist or push or bend certain area of the wire, and when you push or twist some area, if your earphones one side, if you the that particular side of your earphones start working, then you have to wrap that area with the tape as well. So like suppose this is the part that actually causing a problem for my earphones, and when I so you have to just wrap the certain point of the wire with the electrical tape. Fine. When you wrap it, and it will make that certain part insulate and won't make a contact with the air, and so it will help you to fix your earphones problem as well. So I hope you get it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.